Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing how I'm going to tidy up here in our room and also bring a little touches of Valentine's just to give it a little bit a cozy romantic vibe over here in our bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. We're going to go ahead and start off here at my bed. As you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly stretch out the blankets and then start to layer it up with all of our pillows that we normally have here on top of our bed, and then from there we'll go ahead and move on to adding touches and cleaning up the rest of the room. So I hope you enjoy today's video, and I hope that you find lots of inspiration and get some motivation.
Piece of heart I sought and found you, like a fire in the deepest parts. I will hold on to you no matter what comes. I will hold on to you no matter what comes. No night can last forever. No.
Since we built a electric fireplace in our bedroom, I had to switch around my furniture. So if you guys have seen my bedroom before, you know the dresser was not normally there, neither was this a chair that we have here. It was actually, the chair was actually where the dresser used to be, and the dresser used to be where now our new fireplace area is at. But I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up right here quickly this throw blanket that I love having in this basket here. And before I can share the rest with you guys, I'm going to go ahead and add this blush pink fabric here to our bed, since I don't have like a very cute Valentine's throw blanket, but I like to have something here that is like just screams out the seasonal decor or something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this fabric here. I've shared this fabric as well as the flowers that it came with, that it was sent to me by a different Amazon company in a previous video, a couple videos back, but I will link that up in the cards for you guys if you guys are interested in checking more out of those. But I'm just going to go ahead and use this just to bring the pink touch over here to our bed. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to wiping down our window. So I did notice it had a lot of moisture, and I don't know why, and I don't know what to do but to control it. But this window just seems to, like, if I don't wipe down all of the sweat, like the moisture of the water from the winter time, it just seems to grow like black mold or just mold. I have no idea what it is. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly wipe that down, because besides it being wet from all the moisture and having the habit to grow mold, it also gets extremely dusty. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly wipe it down with a microfiber cloth just to get all the dust and humid off of the window. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with a wipey Clorox and then just go ahead and repeat all of it, making sure I'm sanitizing it at the same time.
No matter what comes, I will hold on to you. No matter what comes, no night can last forever. No storm will tear us apart. I will hold on to you, no matter what comes.
I feel tears welling up behind my eyes, far from her.
So I want to go ahead and share this product with you guys that was sent to me by a company, and I just want to say thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So here I received 3 items that are either metal piece or they're either made by wood. So we're gonna go ahead and open these 2 smaller boxes and share with you guys what is inside. So I received this heart-shaped sign that you guys can see has a cord because it does light up also, but they also sell them if you guys do not want them to light up. But this thing is just so amazing and so beautiful and so perfect for Valentine's as well. It's like a cute little couple right there in the center of the flowers and everything. Just kind of reminds me a little bit like of Beauty and the Beast, but I just think it's so creative and so unique on how it is made out of so many layers of thin wood to come out and create all of these different textures and designs. As you guys can tell, it has so many different layers and colors and everything, and like I mentioned before, they do light up, which also makes it a very cute and romantic at nighttime as well. These work great for Valentine's gift, Mother's Day's gifts, Father's Day, just Friends Day's gift, whatever. They are just a perfect sweet little touch of a gift. Like I mentioned, they do light up, so here you can see the cord is pretty long as well, and you just have to click that button and it automatically turns on. I will share with you guys with the lights on in just a bit. We're gonna go ahead and open the second one. So these cute adorable little doves here with a love sign, also just so beautiful. Once again, they are made out of layers and layers of thin wood to come up with this design. If you guys look closely in the birds, you guys could see like forest themes and then like little birds flying in the back, and then it's just so creative on how this company comes up with these very unique things. This is the first time I've ever experienced seeing one of these, so I was just amazed at how creative this was. I just think they are so beautiful. They have so many different items on their website. I will link it down in the description box for you guys as well. But not only do they specialize in these awesome and amazing wood pieces, they also do metal signs and metal creations for you guys as well. Once again, they do carry them with light ups or not light if you guys are not more into the lighting up, but trust me, the light up one just gives that really nice romantic glow at nighttime. But now I'm going to share with you guys the metal piece that I also received from them, and I just cannot wait until spring Easter comes to go ahead and put this out on our yard. So it is a bunny rabbit here, but you can see that it also has a design of more stuff building out the shape of the bunny, and this one goes in our lawn, will go in our lawn because it has the stakes to go in the grass. But they also have this style where you could pick if you want them to have the stalks for it to go like in a branch or in the tree or something. It's a very versatile, and either way which works best for you and your needs. But like I mentioned, I picked this one for our yard, and I'm just so excited to go ahead and use that. But here is a close-up of all three items with you that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Once again, I just want to say thank you so much to TVC for sponsoring today's video. I hope I mentioned your guys' company name correctly, but here you can see how they stand up just fine. And now I'm going to show with you how they look once the lights are on. It's just so cute and so romantic. But once again, I will have everything linked in the description box down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these for yourself or for a loved one. Like I mentioned, Valentine's is coming, and these just make the perfect Valentine's gift for anybody.
I can sing is thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now moving back to the cleaning, here is the fireplace that I mentioned we had built just recently. And I do want to mention that I had filmed the whole process, but smart me accidentally somehow erased all of my footage for that. So I do apologize that now I cannot no longer share with you guys the whole process. But trust me, it was just so easy. I shared a little glimpse on a little reel that I made as well. But any questions, go ahead and let me know. If you guys are interested in building one of these, I am so open to answering and helping out in any way that I can. But we're gonna go ahead and start decorating the top shelf here. I do want to mention that the fireplace looks kind of like a bluish grayish color on camera, but trust me, it's not that bluish color. It's more of a darker gray color. It's the same color that I used in my boys' bedroom for their accent wall and our bathroom accent black, like a black accent wall we have in our bathroom. But yes, I do not know why the camera is picking it up in that very different color, although it doesn't look ugly as well. But we're gonna go ahead and add touches of Valentine decor here on our mantle that we have in our bedroom. And I'm just excited, so excited to have this piece here in our room now. It just brings everything more together and just makes it feel even more cozy in our room also. And it's just so exciting to have this piece here and to complete our room. As you can tell, I'm just using all kinds of items. I previously had a lot of items that are also just like from Dollar Tree. I did not go out and purchase anything, but at the end I will be sharing how I'm gonna go ahead and style one of the wood pieces that I received and I just shared with you guys a couple of minutes ago here on our fireplace mantle as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now I'm going to share all of the afters with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Once again, don't forget to check out the link in my description box if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these amazing wood pieces or metal signs for your yard. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. God bless each and every one of you guys, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Inside your wings, you are my comfort. When life gets hard, you lead me to one